How to set up automated emails on Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own automated emails on Monday.com. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go onto your workspace, and I'm going to begin by creating a few tasks. So let's say I want to add a task called Find Investors. And then I'm going to add a few more tasks just for examples that I'm going to show you guys on how to set up your automated emails. So let's say I'm going to add a few more tasks like contact supplier, and I'm going to add hire marketing staff like this. So I've added a few tasks. Now, how do you actually automate your emailing process on Monday.com? Well, it's a very simple and easy setup, and you don't have to do anything at all. All you have to do is once you're on your board or on your dashboard, wherever you are working on, then you're just going to click on the top right over here, which is your workflow center. And on your workflow center, what you're going to do is you're going to click on start from scratch, and then you can add what kind of automation you want. And if you have no idea on how to get started with automations, you can just click back and then you can just search for email over here. So now you have different email automations as well. So you have different email automations like when the status changes to something, send an email to someone, or when a status changes, like you have quite a few different email automations that are available that you can integrate with your Gmail, Outlook, or any other kind of email software that you have. So let's say I want to set up a automated email, and whenever let's say when the status changes from something to something, I want an email sent to myself. So I'm going to click on this, and when the status changes from working on it to stuck, I want to send a email. So I just have to connect my Gmail account, and then you can just type up the email, which is going to be alert project stuck. And if you're a manager, this kind of email definitely works the best for you because you get immediate alert whenever you are for your projects. And if a team member is stuck and they are waiting for your approval or how to move forward with your help, it's going to be very, very, very helpful if you have an email whenever someone gets stuck, so they don't have to wait for you to log on to Monday to check these stuff and get notified then. Instead, you will be automatically notified by Gmail, and even if you're on the go, you can just check it out, what they're stuck on, and get them some help. So obviously, you're going to type in your email, whatever kind of email it might be, and then you're going to add it to someone. So you can add a new column, so you can add whatever kind of email that you have. I haven't added any people to this board because this is just a sample board to show you guys how to work on Monday.com. You can add any kind of team member, you can add any guest member as well, but I'm just going to send this to myself, and I'm going to enter my own, like you can connect your own Gmail address. And once you do that, you can just set up your automation. So if you scroll down on your basic automation workflow center, you can click on Gmail as well. And then you can add directly link your Gmail. So let's say I want to connect my Gmail and Monday.com. I'm just going to connect over here. I'm going to choose the account I want to connect it with. You can create a separate business account for this, but you don't really have to. You can just use your personal email as well. And then you're just going to click on allow. Once you click on allow, now you have your Gmail and Monday integrated. So you can add like reversed kind of email automations as well. So when a new item is created, I want to send an XYZ email to myself because I find that to be easy. So you can add whatever kind of email automation you want. So you can see I've added this automation, and you can click on add new over here, and you can add as many automations up to 250 on this version of Monday.com. So I'm just going to show you guys some more of these sample email automations that you have. So when a new email is sent to this column, set status to something, or you can see like there's a lot of different automations available, but I'm going to click on start from scratch, and I'm going to show you guys how you can create a email automation from scratch. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on more options, and you can see all of these different options that you have. Now, not only can you integrate your basic email functioning, but you can also integrate your MailChimp email marketing with this kind of automation. So let's say first off, I'm going to simplify this example and continue with basic Gmail, and then I'm going to show you guys how to integrate MailChimp as well. So let's say whenever the column changes and the column changes in the person section, then I want to notify, then I want to send email, and I'm going to use my email address, and you can add whatever email to this person. So it could be XYZ, XYZ. I'm just going to leave these as random emails because I'm not actually sending these. These are just samples to show you guys on how to set up your own automations. And then you can just click on create automations. and then you have this email automation set up. Now, not only can you do this, but you can do a lot more with this as well. So if you click on your apps over here on your bottom left, you can just click on over here and search for MailChimp, and you can click on use app, you can click on add to board, and you can click on add feature. Now I'm just going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to open up my MailChimp account. So we're just going to go onto MailChimp. And now what you can do is that you can interlink your email marketing to MailChimp as well. So when a certain email is added to a column, then you can create a contact list when a campaign is sent to this list, or like, a lot of stuff. So maybe when a status is changed to complete, you can send a email marketing campaign to your entire contact list on MailChimp, whatever it might be. So you're going to click on add to board, and we're just going to click on connect over here. And now we're just going to log in and authorize our Monday.com integration to work on MailChimp. And I'm just going to log on to my account. Now you're just going to click on allow. And now you can see over here, we're going back onto Monday.com, and our MailChimp automations are now live. So you can see when a contact is subscribed to the Jane Doe Inc. list, create an item to the task. I can add to board. Now, whenever someone is subscribed to the Jane Doe Inc., which is a list that I created in MailChimp, I can create a item in the task. So an automatic item will be created in the task section. So you can rename this into like a group section. You can create like a contact list via this, and it would be a completely automated contact list via this method. Now, you can also click on add new over here, and you can click on start from scratch. So we're going to click on more options, and when the status changes to done, then I want to more options, and maybe I want to send an email to myself or someone else or anything like that. So maybe I want to be notified myself, and then you can set up a email automation like a MailChimp automation after that. So for that, we're going to go on to MailChimp, and we're just going to click on MailChimp, and you can see we have these 5 basic templates. So let's say after a campaign was sent to this list, so I'm going to click on use automation. I'm going to use this account. So let's say 12 days after a campaign was sent to the Jane Doe Inc. list, I want to create an item with statistics in the top group. So I want statistics on my email marketing campaign. So whatever email marketing campaign it might be, it doesn't even matter. As long as it was sent to the Jane Doe Inc. list, I would get like a statistics view in the top group section. So all you have to do is click on add to board, and now our email automation is live, and we can easily manage our business via this kind of automation. Now, not only can you do personalized Gmails, but you can also do MailChimp emails and MailChimp marketing management. So although this is great, it comes at a price. So if you click on see plans on Monday.com, on the free version, you don't get automations, and you can't send automated emails on the free version of Monday.com, nor can you do it on the $8 per seat per month basic version. But for email automations, you're going to have to upgrade to the standard version starting at $10 per seat per month, where you not only get 250 automations and integrations, but you also get calendar views, timeline views, and Gantt views, and you get guest access, and you can also create a dashboard that combines up to 5 boards all together. So I do recommend that if you were ever going to pay for your project management software, Monday.com is a great option. But if you wanted to use it for absolutely free, then this might not be the best for you, because you're not going to get access to any kind of boards or integrations, and you also don't have Android or iOS apps on the free version of Monday.com, nor can you create timeline and Gantt views, which I find to be very lacking. And I do prefer like using the $10 version of Monday.com is going to be super helpful, and you also get a 14-day free trial to check out the different versions of Monday.com to pick out the best solution for you and your business. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.